Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
We will wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then we will start our class. We first start with the revision worksheet number 6, which is having this much million, how many hundreds, how many, 1 million equals to how many thousands, 1 crore equals to how many millions. First, this worksheet, and then we start with the number worksheet 8, which is related with the loan and interest.
Ma'am, uh,
Yes.
I was trying to attach the both worksheet, but it was saying that you can attach only one.
So you attach one at a time and then attach the another one in the next one.
No,
Okay.
it was not saying that. I tried that also.
I think I am getting from everyone. Why you facing any difficulty? I don't know.
You have checked my worksheet, ma'am?
Yeah, I am checking by the time. So you try do this today when I will send no one worksheet. You will attach along with that. I have no problem. And my dear children, it's a request to you all. Please join on time. It's already 10:15 and you have only 12 students in the class, including me. We are 13. So please, I request you all join on time. Otherwise, you face difficulty because I start my class on time. And when you join after the time, you will miss many of the things. So then it will be your responsibility that why you not joining on time. I again request those who are joining 1 minute late. I will request you all again, please join 1 or 2 minutes before, but not it after. This is maths class. If you miss, then you face the difficulty and you will say that you will struggle on that. Ma'am, please repeat the topic, and that will be very difficult for me to repeat again in the same live class. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
First, we will discuss about the worksheet number 6 and worksheet number 8. I request everyone to be ready with the worksheet number 6 and 8. I will present my screen. You please check your answers. If your answers are wrong, discuss this answer with me. So I am going to start my class now. It's already 10:17. So I'm going to present my screen. You please check your answers with the worksheet. If your answer is wrong, not matching with the worksheet, then please ask. This is worksheet number 6. The answers are given here. Please check the answers. If any child answer is not matching with this, then please ask me. Only 1 or 2 minutes, I'll display it on the screen. So you should be very quick and start ticking your answers on the worksheet only. Please start ticking the answers in the worksheet. पेंसिल से आप टिक कर सकते हो. Done. Question number 1.
Ma'am, we have to take the numbers with the pencil or the pen.
Pencil. You have to tick your answers whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, put right tick. If it is wrong, put a circle and then do it and ask me which is wrong.
All the are right. I've checked all.
If your right answers are right, don't need to speak. If any child answer is wrong, that child will ask from me that ma'am, this answer is wrong. Please explain me. Can I scroll it down? Children, can I scroll it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Check question number 2. Be a little fast.
Ma'am, in filling the blanks,
I'm done.
6 or 7, how will be 7? 850 and 700.
See, 8,000, 8,500 means 8,500. And you need to divide it by 10. So 8060 cancel हो गई. So it will be 850 only. Got it, Lakshya?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट इज 7,000 में कितने. तो आप पहले 7,000 लिखो, डिवाइडेड बाय 10 करो. 10 पूछ रहा है तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10 करोगे. फिर इसमें भी 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गई. इट विल ओनली 700. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
या So my question number 2 is also on the screen and question number 3 is also on the screen. Please check your answers. Any child, any difficulty? Can I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Twisha is saying what? What, Twisha? Any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, my multiplication, I want to check answer of these two multiplying 6809 and 205. Mine is coming. Wait. Yes. Your answer is yes.
6809 multiplied by 235.
Yes, actually I haven't added. I have just multiplied it as 5 and the answer came as well.
So
Ma'am,
please,
I have a doubt.
yes,
I have
please.
and I have got 260265.
Then you need to multiply it again because multiplication we have learned in grade 4 also. So you need to multiply it again and check. Okay?
Okay.
And the divide answer is this one. So I hope this worksheet is clear to you all. Any doubt, write it in the chat box if any doubt with this related worksheet. Nishika, any doubt with worksheet number 6?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to present you the another worksheet. Please tell me whether it is visible or not. The next worksheet is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Please,
Yes.
this is worksheet number 8. Check your answers. If any doubt, let me know. I will explain you. First answer is 2,08,440 because it's the 18 fisher women of Jamnagar have started. Am I audible to you all? Children, when I ask, then you don't answer. Man, I present because when I present, I will not able to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
So please give me response.
It's coming wrong.
Okay. So now you check.
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
Okay, I will explain. Mute yourself now, everyone. Silent. Please mute yourself now, everyone. Rahil, mute yourself. Rahil, mute yourself, please.
Am I mute only?
Okay. Now I'm going to explain the first one. Listen it carefully. There are 18 fisher women of Jamnagar have started a bank. Okay. Each of them deposit 965 every month. 18 fisher women थी, हर महीने 965 बैंक में वो डिपॉजिट कर रहे थे. What amount is deposited in the bank in a year? First, you should tell me how many months in a year.
12.
12. So what you will do, you multiply 18 by 965. Then whatever the answer is coming, because this answer is coming of 18 women in a per month, right? 17,370 is for per month of 18 women. Now when you multiply 17,370 by 12, means for, yes.
Ma'am, I have done like this. First, I have multiplied 965 by 12, so I got the answer. I multiply with the answer 18, so I got another answer.
So same, this is also right.
Okay, ma'am.
But you
The
ultimately
last one is, ma'am, the last one is so big. This.
okay. Wait. But ultimately your final answer is coming the same there, yeah? So your multiplication and division, something is wrong.
No, ma'am, it's coming right now.
Okay.
I check.
Okay. Now I move to the next one. Seema took a loan of rupees 8,596 from the bank. She pay back. उसने वापस दे दिया 9,280 to the bank को वापस दे दिया. What amount did she pay back as a interest? Interest क्या होता है? जो लिया और जो बाद में पे किया उन दोनों अमाउंट का डिफरेंस. For example, mute yourself, listen and then ask the query. Then unmute your mic. इंटरेस्ट हाउ वी फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट? वी फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट, हमने जितना प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट लिया था और जितना हमने पे किया उन दोनों अमाउंट का डिफरेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने किसी से 10 रुपीज दिए थे, लेकिन आफ्टर when I pay them after some time, I paid 12 rupees. So the balance amount is the interest amount. How much is the interest amount here? In my question, how much is the interest amount if I have borrowed 10 rupees and I am repaying it 12 rupees?
2 rupees is the interest.
2 rupees.
2 rupees is the interest. So इसमें भी आपको यही निकालना है. उसने लिया था 8,596, but they pay back 9,286. So what is the interest amount?
So we have to minus, and if the answer will become, we have to divide. So it will
Then-
become 4643.
Yes, yes. So here the answer is 690 is the interest amount. Now, Seema was able to pay the loan in 2 months and she paid equal amount in 2 months. What amount did she pay in a month? So total amount to be paid in a bank is itna, और उसने 2 ही महीनों में पे कर दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 रुपीज मुझे किसी को पे करना है या मुझे 12, राइट? मुझे इंटरेस्ट के साथ जो है, मैं आई हैव टेकन माय अनदर सिंपल एग्जाम्पल that I have to pay 12 rupees. Dandalan, I am asking from you now. Okay, listen it carefully. My question will be from you only now. My example was that I have borrowed 10 rupees and I have to pay 12 rupees. So what is the interest included in this?
2
2.
rupees.
तो A sum का आंसर आपने दे दिया. B sum now, B point is that this 12 rupees I am going to pay in 2 months. 2 महीनों में पे कर दूंगी इक्वली. तो हर महीने में मैं कितना पे करूंगी? 12 रुपीज को मैं 2 महीनों में पे कर देती हूँ और इक्वल अमाउंट पे करूंगी. जितना फर्स्ट मंथ में पे करूंगी उतना ही सेकंड मंथ
24
में.
rupees.
नो 12 ही पे करना है. पे तो 12 ही करना है, पर उनको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके पे करना है.
6.
यस. ईच मंथ कितना पे करूंगी मैं? 6. तो वही है. सेम है. 9,286 को आप 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो ईच मंथ का आपके पास आ जाएगा 4,643. Got it, everyone? Is there any difficulty till now to any child?
Ma'am, yes.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it was in the worksheet 6. I forgot what was the answer of the multiplication. I want to check it now. I've done it.
Check the 485. No, sorry. Check the answer here.
Ma'am, but I have done, my answer came 3576115.
You write this answer and do it with the after the class with the patients. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in
Division sum answer is?
And so the world problem worksheet.
Wait a minute. Ayush, you write the answers and do it after the class.
No, ma'am, yes, I will write the answer down here. You can show the answer once again.
Yeah, please write the answers and do it after the class.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in loan and interest.
I will come.
115. Okay, ma'am.
Can I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tuisha. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, if one of the girls went to the bank and gave a jewelry and took 1,000 rupees.
What they have done?
She gave a jewelry set and took 1,000 rupees. So somebody else took that jewelry.
Somebody?
Somebody else took that jewelry.
Ayush, you please mute yourself. Otherwise, I'm not able to listen, Tuisha.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah, I will mute. I will first ask and then I will mute myself because your voice is echoing. Okay. You tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I didn't understood. Can you say it again?
You ask what is your difficulty. You repeat your question.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
show the word problem. Worksheet.
Lakshya, mute yourself. Let us discuss what the other children queries and then we will solve that. Aryaman, mute yourself, please.
A girl gave a jewelry set.
Swisha, wait. I request everyone, because when I started the class, there were only 13 to 14 students were there on time. So I request those who are joining late, please join on time. Otherwise, you will face the difficulty. Got it, children? Wait a minute. Let me take the attendance. Yes, Swisha. I am going to mute myself, okay?
Okay. Ma'am, a girl gave a jewelry set to the bank and took 1000 rupees. Now, somebody else can take the jewelry set?
No. This is her jewelry set. She kept it as a security to the bank, and bank will give it back to that person when she paid rupees 1000.
But ma'am, the interest is 120 and somebody else gave the 120 rupees
No.
and took the jewelry set. It
No.
can be like this?
No. It will be highly, if the person is not able to pay 1020, whatever the amount, then in that case, he is not able to take his jewelry or her jewelry back because he is not able to pay the money back. Okay. No, there are the different cases. Okay. Now I am going to present the screen. Now we discuss the sum number 3. Pragya takes rupees 4896 from Vidushi to buy a Almira. उसने अपनी फ्रेंड से कुछ पैसे लिए थे अलमीरा लेने के लिए. She returned back 6700 in a total year. How much does she give in each month? First of all, you should need to find out the interest amount, कि उसको कितना interest amount देना है. So in 12 months, 6000. In 12 months, Prayag returns 6720. तो उसने टोटल दिया, पर उसको डिवाइडेड बाय 12 करेंगे. Why we divided by 12? Because we need to find out for 1. एक महीने का निकालना है ना. Please show your actions and reactions if you understood or not understood. Show me thumbs up, thumb down, then it will be active class for me. Yes. See, children, if it is given that she has to pay including the interest 6072 amount something, right? But that is for the entire year. ये पूरे साल का है. पर अगर वो उसी को break करके देना चाहती है. Yes, Anushka, please drink. So in 1 month, how much she will give? She need to divide the total amount by 12.
12 multiplied by 6072, and if the answer will become 506.
Yes, excellent. Got it? And please, when you are finding the answer in rupees, don't forget to mention the rupees. Dhyan dalal, sit properly. Got it? If suppose you have taken 10 rupees, suppose you have taken 10 rupees from someone and you have to pay 12 rupees. How much is the interest in this? 2 rupees. Yes? But this 12 rupees you are paying, this 12 rupees you have to pay in a year. आपको एक साल में देने हैं ये 12 rupees. पर अगर वो चाहती है कि you need to pay it every month, तो एवरी मंथ में आप उसको कितने रुपीस पे करोगे? माय डियर, 12 रुपीस उसको पे करें.
6 rupees.
हाँ.
6 rupees.
हाउ 6 रुपीस निशिका? 12 रुपीस पूरे साल में पे करने हैं, तो हर महीने कितने पे करोगे? 1 मंथ में.
1 rupees in 1 month. 1 rupee.
हाँ, 12 रुपीस डिवाइडेड बाय 12.
Ma'am, may
Yes, Rudra Jajaria. Yes, Vedi, please go. And Vedi, please remove this background image. Yes, Rudra, any difficulty? Okay. Swayash takes 30,450 from a bank and he is giving 3,540 per month for a year. How much amount will he back to the bank? So this is per month है, आपको 12 से multiply करना है, so you will get the answer per year. What interest will he pay? Interest कितना है? अब ये total amount इतना पे कर रहा है, per month इतना दे रहा है, total इतना हो गया. लोन तो उसने 30,450 का लिया था. The balance amount will be the interest amount. Got it? Till now it's clear to you all? Show me thumb up or thumb down. If you're not clear, thumb down. If you're clear, thumb up. Be active in class. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss the today's topic, which is related with the understanding about the bills. Darya will tell me, Darya, what do you understand about the word bill?
Ma'am, bill like when we go to buy something outside, we get a bill after the checking happen. When we buy it, we get a bill. How much amount we buy, how much money we buy, what is the total amount. That means bill.
So can you open the page number 14 in your textbook, everyone, and hold pencil in your hands? See, I am going to show you the bill image also. Is my image is clearly visible to you?
Yeah, ma'am, which page number? But
Page number 12. Page number, sorry, 14. Page number 14. This image is clearly visible. Twisha, what is written on this bill?
What, ma'am?
I think this class always on a sleeping mode. They never answer. And then I am asking, yes. Which bill is this? Hotel bill, right?
Yeah, hotel bill.
Children, when you go to the DMart, you will get the grocery bill, right? When you go at the different hotel, you will get the hotel bill. When you go somewhere else, you will get the different types of bills. So when you observe the bill,
And page number?
just now I'm discussing this. Please pay attention here. This page number I will explain later. So when you go, you see different types of bills, right? But the basic concept of making the bill is same. कि पहले नाम होता है thing का, quantity आपने कितनी ली है. Suppose here it is written papad or something. They have taken 2 papads and the rate of 1 papad is written 20. And what is given? Next child will tell me. Aryaman, what is given here?
Ma'am, amount.
Amount. How much amount they calculated?
40.
40. Aryaman, this question is from you only. How they calculated 40? Because the rate is 20 only. Because the rate of is 20 only. So how they calculated the amount 40? एक पापड़ जो है वो 20 रुपए का ही है, तो 40 कैसे आया? My goodness, this class is totally on a sleeping mode.
Because
they have took 2 amounts.
they have to
1 is equal to 20 and 2 is equal to 40.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Got it? Then this is clear to you how they calculated 40?
Yes, ma'am.
Put little down your mask. Will be okay? Because you're sitting at home only.
हाँ मैम, पर हमारे घर में मेड आई है ना, तो
No problem. Okay, then you please put. Okay. Now again I'm going to present. Then here they have taken only 1 quantity of this paneer dish. So the price of 1 dish is 190. So what will be the total amount?
190 only.
190.
Ma'am,
So
190.
can you all observe here? They are applying the unitary method. They are finding the amount of many by multiplying. Here also you can see when they order roti, it's 2 rotis and the price of 1 is 20. So what will go in the total amount?
40.
40. This way they calculated the price of the bill and they total it all the quantities. This way you will get the bill always. First column is the particulars or the articles, जो भी चीजें आप खरीदते हो उसका होता है. Second column quantity का होता है. करना, play attention here. Third column number of quantities आपने कितनी ली है, and the fourth column is the price of price होता है, right? First column is the things, articles or the particulars, जो भी word use होता है. Second column is of the quantity. Third column is the rate, and this rate is always for one, एक का होता है. तो आप quantity से multiply करोगे तो total amount आएगा. And then this way is the presentation of bill. Clear or not clear till now?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Clear.
बिल में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करके मैनी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं. नाउ एवरीवन ओपन पेज नंबर 1414. No one will ask which page number. 1414. Nishika will read. Nishika, what is the item written in the table first?
Yes, ma'am. Item is written bore well for fish water. Price of each rupees 3,000.
Very
Number
good.
of items 1.
1. तो टोटल प्राइस में क्या जाएगा कॉस्ट में?
Ma'am, the 3,000 will only go because the number of item is just 1 and price of 1 is 3,000.
Got it,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you multiply 3,000 by 1, your cost will 3,000 only, because the quantity or the number of item is 1 only. The next Rahil will read.
3,000 or 1,000?
3,000 multiplied by 1 is what? Done.
3,000.
Yes. Rahil, read the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Bamboo rack for fish drying. Price of each rupees 2,000. Number of
Wait.
items 20. Cost. Ma'am, cost is
2,000 multiplied by 20 करके आंसर निकालो.
okay, ma'am.
Fast. Multiply the number with the number and add the 0. It is very easy. Rahil, you can do it verbally also. 2,000 multiplied by 20. So multiply 2 with the 2 is 4 and add the zeros.
Ma'am, it is 4,000 cost.
No. 4,000 कैसे होगा? 1 का 2,000 है, 20 का सिर्फ just 4,000 होगा. आप एक जीरो मिस कर गए. It is 40,000.
Yeah.
Got it?
40,000.
Next, Karnav will read. Karnav, read the next one. Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third one.
Cement tank rupees 1,000. Quantity 4. Cost. Ma'am, cost will be 4,000. Cost will be 4,000.
Excellent.
Can I
Next.
say third answer? Fourth
Yes,
answer?
Lakshya will tell. Yes.
I already done, so I tell the answer. Rupees 300 and number of item 20 rupees. The cost will be 6,000.
Excellent.
How I know?
Samriddhi.
Because we add 30 and we multiply 3 2 and answer will be 6. So it will be
Very.
6,000.
Excellent. Next, Samriddhi.
Yeah, bucket rupees 75 and 20 items and the answer is 1,500. I multiply 75 by 20.
Very good. Now, आपने सबकी कॉस्ट निकाल ली. Total cost to set up the factory. So total cost क्या आ रहा है? Add them and find out the total cost. I will also do along with you all. Find out the total cost and tell me the answer in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am. Because of network issue, I could not hear you. So where we are?
We are on page number 14. We have solved this bill by multiplying the number of the each and by multiplying with the items.
Yeah, ma'am, that is my doubt.
Now please add them after finding the answer and tell me the total answer and write it in the chat box. First is 3,000. Second is plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 1,500. What is the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, 5,000. 5 lakh.
No. Lakh kaise?
54.
I think you children need to
14,500.
work on the, no, please do again. It's 3,000 plus 40,000, right? Plus 4,000.
Ma'am, total is 54500.
Let me check. Okay, that is 6,000. Wait, let me check.
Ma'am, it is 54,500.
Yeah, 54500. Yes.
Yeah, 5450. I did a little late because I was busy in doing them in order for 40,000.
Okay. Fish, fresh fish is what is given next? Read. Dhyan Dalal will read. Dhyan, after finding the total, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. When fresh fish is dry. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Read. When fresh fish is dried.
When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 600 kg of fresh fish.
It is 600 kg. Dhyan Dalal, read it properly.
6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in 1 month?
So what you have to do, what you have understood with this statement, क्या करना है आपको?
We can divide 1/3 by 6,000.
Yes, we will divide because in 1 month they plan to dry 6,000 और 6,000 को ड्राई करने के बाद वो 1/3 बचता है, तो 6,000 का 1/3 क्या होगा?
3,000.
What is the 1/3?
3,000.
1/3. 6,000 divided by
4,000.
6,000 divided by 3.
Ma'am,
6,000 divided.
2,000.
What is the, okay, I will ask, what is the 1/4 of 2,000?
Ma'am, the 1/4 of 2,000 would be 500, I suppose.
Yes, because 2,000 divided by 4.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me 1/5 of 500.
1/5 of
500.
500 divided by 5.
100. Kanav, answer yes. What is the 1/6 of 30,000?
1/6 of 30,000.
Yes. 3,000. 1/6 of 3,000.
1/6.
2,000.
Ma'am, that would be 500.
Yes. 3,000 divided by 6. Got it? Now,
Ma'am, I did a trick. And how I got.
so how much dry fish will they get?
500.
Yes, 500. Now, please write in the last blank, how much dry fish will they get in a month? How much dry fish will they get in a month after
2000
drying?
kg.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Dhyan, what? 6,000 kg. Oh, sorry. Yes. 6,000 kg का 1/3 कितना आएगा? How much is the 1/3 of 6,000 kg?
2000.
2,000 kg. Kg. Don't forget to write. Don't forget to write the unit. So in the blank, you please write.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait, Ayush. In the blank, you please write 2,000 kg. Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't relate. I couldn't relate the connection of 1/3 to 600 because of the question. Like when fried fish is dyed, it becomes 1/3 its weight.
आप किसी भी चीज को ड्राई गीली चीज को सुखाते हो तो वो कम हो जाती है.
Weight में कम हो जाती है.
हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट क्लास में भी, ग्रेड 4 में भी. अगर में योर ममा ऑल्सो मेक मेनी थिंग्स एट होम, राइट, और जिसको उन्हें ड्राई भी करना होता है, तो वो बनाती तो बहुत सारा है, बट आफ्टर ड्राइंग वो सूख जाता है. आपने ट्रिप में पढ़ा था, एक ट्रिप में व्हेन दे गोइंग फॉर द माउंटेनरी एंड दे वर कैरिंग दी, वो प्याज भी सुखा के लेके गए थे.
To Bhopal.
या नॉट ट्रिप टू भोपाल, लास्ट चैप्टर था एक और, हाउ हैवी हाउ लाइट में, एंड दे वर गोइंग समवेयर, राइट.
Yes.
And what they have did, they have taken the onions also, dried onions. क्यों? क्योंकि वो dry. Mute yourself, please. आयुष, mute yourself. क्योंकि वो ड्राई होने के बाद सूख जाता है, और सूखने के बाद उसकी क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है. कोई भी गीली चीज को आप सुखाओगे, ममा चिप्स बनाती हैं सीजन में, बनाती तो 5 kg के हैं, तो बनने भी 5 kg के चाहिए नहीं. आफ्टर ड्राइड अप, जब वो सूख जाते हैं चिप्स, उनकी क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है ड्राई होने के बाद. सेम ही जब ये भी फिशेस लेकर आए, 6,000 फिशेस kg थी, 6,000 kg, जब वो सुखाया गया उनको, तो वो 1/3 वेट हो गया 6,000 का, दैट इज 2,000. गॉट इट? हर गीली चीज सूखने के बाद उसका वेट कम हो जाता है. गेट इट?
Yes.
सो वैसे ही इनका भी वेट, फिशेस का वेट भी कम हुआ, और कम कितना हुआ, दैट आल्सो गिवन टू यू, 1/3 हो गया. गॉट इट? आप अपनी मम्मा से भी पूछना, जब वो चिप्स बनाती हैं 5 kg 10 kg, वो बनने के बाद 1 और 2 kg बच जाते हैं. इतना सूखते हैं, ड्राई हो जाते हैं कि वो इतने कम हो जाते हैं. तो हर गीली चीज वेट, जब उसको सुखाते हैं तो उसका वेट कम हो जाता है. गॉट इट? नाउ गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Come down. Let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. We buy fresh fish of 15 rupees per kg. We sell dry fish of rupees 70 per kg. Fresh fish जो है वो 15 per kg बेचते हैं. हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना, जो गीली चीज है वो आपको सस्ती मिलेगी, जो सूख जाती है वो आपको महंगी मिलेगी. उसका कॉस्ट जो है वो ज्यादा होता है, राइट? अगर आप मार्केट से कोई भी गीली चीज लेने जाओगे, फ्रेश फिश जो है ऑब्वियस वो गीला है, राइट, वो नेचुरल है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका ऑलरेडी वेट ज्यादा है, उसने अपने अंदर, उसके अंदर वाटर होता है, बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं, तो उसका वेट ज्यादा है. सो जब भी आप कोई गीली चीज लेने जाओगे, ओनियंस लोगे, अनियंस, राइट, व्हेन यू बाय द अनियंस फ्रॉम द मार्केट, यू विल इजीली कैन बाय द 15 rupees kg और 20 rupees kg का मिल जाएगा. जब वो सूखा हुआ आप कोई चीज लोगे, ड्राइड लोगे, उसका कॉस्ट ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी ड्राई होने के बाद उसका वेट कम हो गया. वेट कम हो गया तो उसका प्राइस बढ़ गया. क्योंकि मैंने ली थी 6,000 kg ली थी फिशेस, ड्राई होने के बाद वो 2,000 हो गई. इसका मतलब मैंने उस पे तो 6,000 के अकॉर्डिंग किया था, अब ड्राई होने के बाद वो 2,000 kg रह गई. अब अगर मेरे को सेल करनी है तो आई विल चार्ज द हाई रेट एंड सेल इट. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ड्राई थिंग्स विल बी मोर कॉस्टली कंपेयर टू दी. Yes.
Ma'am, it would be like the shopkeepers do that because they paid for 6,000.
Yes. हाँ.
And they are getting low rates because it became 2000 kg.
हाँ,
Then they will have their loss.
तो
not
अब
the
उनको
profit.
तो अब उनको प्राइस हाई करके बेचना होगा ना.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
So now for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay. Fresh fish के according 6 multiply by हम कितना करेंगे जो 90 आएगा. Fresh fish का per kg already given है. Lakshya, Samriddhi will tell me what is given the price of fresh fish per kg.
Ma'am, fresh fish is of 15 rupees 15.
So when you multiply 6 by 15, what you will get?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
6 multiplied by 15, what you will get? It is already done for you. 90.
90.
Now we sell 2 kg dry fish. So 2 given है, 2 को किससे multiply करोगे? Ridan, you talking with someone and you're not paying attention in the class. Dhairya will tell me, Dhairya, 2 is already given.
Yeah, ma'am.
2 kg is given. So 2 को किससे multiply करें so that we can get the answer?
Ma'am, if we sell 2 kg dry fish and get
170.
7.
70, it is given 70. Per kg is 70. It is given in the table up. So 2
Yeah.
multiplied by 70, what will be the answer?
140.
Yes. Next, so we dry 6 kg fish. We will earn. Do these 2 questions. We will discuss it tomorrow in the class by yourself, and I'm going to send you the worksheet based on today's topic.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.